Hey there, I'm Peter with Boomer Music, and I'm here today to talk to you about bells. This is a set of bells. It's a typical set that you would see in a school or even an orchestra, symphony, and they are made from metal bars. Often they will come in a case, something similar to this size that you can carry as a backpack, and oftentimes it will include a practice pad. This also has a stand that breaks down inside of that case. Now let me just play for you real quick a chromatic scale up the whole set of bells so you can hear what it sounds like. So you probably have heard that sound before in music, and that's what plays it, is the bells. Now these are the mallets that you would play. They're all different shapes and sizes. This is just a standard normal set. There's all different kinds of mallet heads that can be used with different sounds. This is a soft rubber sound. This is a harder plastic sound. Here is a brass head, probably the loudest. Here is a softer plastic and another softer plastic. One more. I think this one sounds the best. Yeah. So what you do is you learn all different kinds of scales, just like you would on a clarinet, a tuba, or a trombone. So let me play a scale for you. Then you can arpeggiate it. I can do rolls within that scale to create a simple little melody. Threw in a little minor there for you. You can play major chords, minor chords. So, all different kinds of things on the bells. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at Boomer Music. And again, I am Peter, and this was The Bells. Have a good day.